Hi, I'm Marek with AK Material Handling Systems, and this is your Minute to Connect video series. Now, I'm here today to introduce to you a new product that we're offering in our quick ship program. And as you can see here, it is a standing personal protection partition. Now, this particular piece is designed to stop the spread of airborne contaminants throughout the air. As you can see, it's made of clear PVC, which is easy to clean. Also with aluminum frames, makes this a very lightweight piece that can be moved from location to location very easily. It's OSHA approved, and it is, as you can see, features a small footprint. Now, you can use this piece in a variety of applications, including shared dining areas in the workplace or in restaurants. Workspaces where distancing is difficult or even impossible. Building entrances, or other busy thoroughfares. For more information, you can contact us by visiting our website at www.akequipment.com and let us help you envision, execute, and excel with your material handling needs.